Welcome to the Torque Garage. First video of the Dirtster build. Got this little sporty that me and my buddy Owen picked up, named the Dirtster. A mock-up of our front fender headlight setup. Made this little bracket up in here, bolted it to the lower triple tree. Gonna drill some holes in it to get that mounted so I can figure out where the headlight's gonna go. Here's our ignition switch setup. Got an on-off switch, start button, high-low beams, turn signals. All micro mini switches. Made this little bracket, all the switches and wiring fit up in here. It's got an RFID setup in it, so there's no need for a key. Wrinkle black primary cover. Making a custom battery box cover shaped like the oil bag. Here's the turn signal brake light setup. Turn signals each side, brake light with the LED strip. So I gotta widen it a little bit. I cut the rear horns off on it because we're running no rear fender. So I made these little inserts here that are gonna go in here. Gonna drill a pilot hole in here, put some set screws in it, hold this all together. Got some Dyna wheels we're gonna put on it, get rid of the ugly green things. Powder coat this, wrinkle black. Rocker boxes are going wrinkle black. Gonna cut the cam cover down like this. Powder coat that, wrinkle black. Build a one-off billet sprocket cover for it. Got rid of the old keying on it, put a CV on there with a high flow. Got some Renthal bars on it with some dirt bike style brake cylinder, master cylinder setup, clutch perch. So first video of the Dirtster build. Stay tuned to Torque Garage for more videos.